Good evening to everyone. I'm John Prabhanjan. Here, Roji Dash. She is very committed woman and she studied Adventist school from Purna, and she was a good student, and she already explained the goodness of Jesus and also other things what she learned from the school, and she wants to work with the team because she already received lots of education from the Adventist school about Jesus and the Bible, and also about the children of Jesus. So she wants to work with Adventist team here, Katrina Law of Bangladesh, and she's living at Meherpur Dashpara, and she will work with the children as a school teacher under Katrina Law School. Katrina Law of Bangladesh. And she's
the school name also.
the school name is Joyful Learning School for the underprivileged children.
I was a student that time. She was also a student that she studied there. So I am very glad and happy to see her again here. So she's going to work with us as a volunteer. So you are welcome to work with us, and hopefully we can do best.
Thank you, Hirok Mondol, who is the Chancellor of the Christian Online Ministry, and the Chairperson, Kevin Mondol, Chairperson of Katrina Law of Bangladesh, because they have given this opportunity to work do something better for the children in Bangladesh, especially in the district, because those communities are very vulnerable. The children also very vulnerable. They don't have any capacity to afford their educational cost by their parents. So Katrina Law of Bangladesh already came for the betterment of the children. So thanks them and bless them, and also good care for them. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much.
সব পুরো ধ্বংস হয়ে যাবে, বিরোধ হবে না, হয় না এরকম? তো ঠিক আছে, আমরা জানি আপনি আপনার মনে অভিজ্ঞতা আছে যে ফাইন্যান্সিয়ালে আমরা একদম অনাবৃষ্টি, কোনো বৃষ্টি হয় না, তো কৃষকেরা প্রার্থনা করতেছে সৃষ্টিকর্তার কাছে, দলে দলে যেন আমরা প্রার্থনা করি। কিন্তু দেখা গেছে যে একদম শিশু ওই ভিতরে সে সাদা নিয়ে আসছে। আমি বিশ্বাস কি না যে আমি প্রার্থনা করতে আমার পিতা, আমার সদস্য পিতা বা সৃষ্টিকর্তা তিনি বৃষ্টি বর্ষাবে, আর সত্যি সত্যি বৃষ্টি হয়েছে। সেই শিশুটি একাই সে জলে ভেজে নাই, কারণ সে সাদা নিয়ে